On terrorists yesterday in Kashmir is a very, very sad incident and inhuman incident, very barbaric. Janasena Party President Sri Pawan Kalyan Garu also has expressed a lot of anguish, and he has asked all of us to participate in a 3-day program across the state to convey our solidarity with the nation, to bolster the strength that is required at this point of time for all of us to come together. At the same time, to stand with those unfortunate families who have lost their loved and dear ones. We deeply regret this incident. It's a very shameful incident because the country is looking forward to prosperity, to economic growth, to stability, looking forward to seeing our children grow up and get great jobs and take our nation into the top 3 in the world. So this is the time when all of us should come together, stand by the leadership of Narendra Modi Garu, give him that resilience and strength for all of us to overcome this unfortunate incident. Our party president, Sri Pawan Kalyan Garu, has also expressed a desire to participate in these programs. Today we are doing a candlelight march in a peaceful manner. We are not protesting against anyone from any religion. We want to convey that the nation is united, that we all stand by our leadership, and our leadership will handle a crisis like this and make sure that all of us are strong and united as Bharat. That's why we keep saying Bharat Mata Ki Jai. The dastardly act that has happened by a terrorist attack in Kashmir is something that we all feel very sorry and ashamed of. India is a nation which has always stood by peace, and we are a generation that aims for the future. At this point of time, we express our solidarity with the families. Our party president, Sri Pawan Kalyan Garu, has given instructions that all of us should participate in a very humble and polite manner, showcasing the fact that India is always united when it comes to a situation like this. We also stand by our leader, Narendra Modi Garu. In these tough times, it is time for the government of India to make sure that all of us feel the strength of the nation coming together on occasions like this, which is a very unfortunate circumstances. The government of India and the people of India have always wanted the people of Jammu and Kashmir to be part of the development and enjoy the prosperity and the traditions that we have in India. We are not any different or having our own agendas. It is time for our nation to grow economically. Our future generation should benefit out of this. But this is not the way terrorists should come and disturb our peace and harmony. We strongly condemn the incident. Whoever is behind this should be punished in the right manner. And we expect that the people of India will stand by our Prime Minister and his team in such times. Our party president, Sri Pawan Kalyan Garu, has given us a 3-day agenda. Today is a candlelight rally in a very peaceful manner, expressing our solidarity with the families and also paying homage to our martyrs. At the same time, tomorrow and day after also we have programs identified at all our party locations across the state.
On Friday, Deputy Chief Minister is going to participate in
Correct. Our party president and the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Sri Pawan Kalyan Garu, will also participate in the program day after tomorrow at Pittapuram. And we all stand by him and the nation in this time. And actually it is to his merit, we must say, that Pawan Kalyan Garu has instilled in us a sense of nationalism and pride. He has always told us it is a nation first. Then comes the state. Thirdly comes the politics. This is not about politics. This is all about we all coming together to express our solidarity, and Janasena Party has stood by our nation in such tough times.